Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the time to troubleshooting because the main engine is cannot start. You can start by emergency starting. So that's why I need to troubleshoot now. What's the problem with the boat? So watch and learn. This is the what you call this one? Panel board. For the old system is here. The what you call this one? Machinery, all board system is there. So I have Mr. Nirmana for Komatsu. Number one. This one? Yeah. No, nothing spark, huh? Did you remove the wire from there? Disconnect? All is dismantle. See? This is the very hard work for troubleshooting. But I use from this one if you want to start the engine. This one. And then you press the start from the MTU panel box. Then they will run the engine. This is the engine MTU. It's not easy to find out the problem of this system because it's tripping the breaker. So you cannot start by the engine. So you need to start the engine by emergency stuff. Going there and then push button to the control starting. So that's why. Oh my God. Huh? You find out? So need to remove from here or no need? So need to test that? So she's going down. But did you show there? There's a control box downside. Going there. You need light? Oh, Mr.